Mild Hogz family. This is my son. Hopefully, maybe we might be able to go check out a little bit of an ambulance. You can see it here. Heck yeah. They're also working when we're not, and they're out saving people's lives. And it was an amazing experience being able to come here. Again, our first responders, just amazing.
They told me, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, a newborn king to see, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum. Our finest gifts we bring, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, to lay before the king, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum. So to honor him, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, when we come. To give a king, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum. Shall I play for you, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, on my drum?
Super proud of this amazing man. What's that?
I said, just saying sup.
Sup. Mild Hogz family. This is my son. We're super proud of him. If you can see right here, he's a Creek County ambulance EMS.
Yeah.
EMT. Hopefully, maybe we might be able to go check out a little bit of an ambulance here, but he is working on Christmas Day, if you could believe it. But our first responders, we want to give a shout out to them. Thank you so much for all that they do. We appreciate you, and the whole family's here to tell Logan that we love him and Merry Christmas. Check this out. You can see it here. The ambulances here at Sapulpa. There's the mother of the Mild Hogz. Say hi. Yeah. She's now going to be on YouTube. She didn't know it, but she's on YouTube now. Oh. And the rest of the family's walking in too as well. Parts of what we just drove through was actually Route 66. They're trying to restore it and make it a historic area down there. So apparently the bells are going off. It is 2 o'clock on Christmas Day. Oh man, look at all those first responders over there. Look at them all. Check them out. They're all working on Christmas Day. Thank you to all our first responders. Y'all are amazing. Appreciate you all. No, Big, get in there. He's going to defib you. The truck actually goes up and down as well when they're trying to lift people in there. It's pretty wild. Just trying to see if the old grandparents would jump up in there and let them do paddles on their heart. They all declined, so I guess that's not happening. But hope you guys are enjoying the Mild Hogz. It's pretty cool. Just wanted to be able to share what our son does and helping people save lives. Just wanted to be back on YouTube, so we're going to put him on YouTube too as well.
I'm back again.
He's back. He's back again. There you go. Check him out. Cool experience. For those that are out there that have a chance to go give back to your first responders, please do it. They do some amazing work. They're also working when we're not, and they're out saving people's lives and helping people. So thank you again to all those first responders, military, everybody, police, firefighters, all of them. We just can't thank you enough for all that you do for our community. So again, thank you again. We'll see you here in just a moment back on the motorcycle. Well, we're getting ready to head out, and it was an amazing experience being able to come here. Again, our first responders, just amazing. So, anything you got to share? Number one?
I'm so proud of Logan. He's working really hard to achieve his goals and dreams in life, and so he's working really hard, and we're really proud of him. So
yeah.
Being a first responder is just a lot on somebody too. So
yeah, it is. They got to go through a lot.
Say thank you to him if you see him out.
Yeah.
They do a lot of hard stuff.
Yeah, I've learned a lot too as well.
Yeah. We got to tour the ambulance. And
I know to not poop if I have chest pains. Just so everybody knows. Go look it up. It's an interesting story. Logan. Yeah, there's a whole story behind that. Maybe I'll share that on another video, but just a word of note.
Well,
don't
wouldn't be a
poop
video
when
of
you have
ours
chest
without
pains.
something like that.
Yeah.
Little nugget.
little nugget. Sometimes they're not little nuggets. Sometimes they might be big nuggets. But anyway, hope you're enjoying the video. Little marvels of truth. Yes, that's good. All right, well, we're going to go ready to head back. We're going to jump on the motorcycle. Thanks again.
Like and subscribe.
Woohoo! Thank you again, and honoring all of our first responders. Thank you for all that you do and taking care of our communities. Well, it is that time for us to be able to celebrate our two channels. And the first one we're going to celebrate is Bronx World. I'll post the link in our description, and then also I'll do a posting too as well for both these channels. But Bronx World, he focuses on windshield therapy, which I can tell you all of us need, right? I mean, geez. And I actually call him the voice. If you love hearing sound and listening to the sound of a voice, being able to speak through the microphone, this is the channel. He does an amazing job with this stuff, and he again is out of South Dakota and also in the northern parts of the U.S. So, Bronx man, appreciate you. Thank you so much for all that you do to support our channel too as well, and hope this helps. He's at 89 subscribers. Let's get him to 100, right? Like, that would be pretty sick. Next channel we're going to support is Pius Augustus. He is out of the Tasmanian area. So if you want to watch some content that's outside of maybe the US and those type of things, he does some amazing artwork in his POV videos. He has actually multiple motorcycles, so he does in multiple different terrains, whether it be off-roading on the streets, and takes you to some really cool different places down there in Tasmania. He currently has 172 subscribers, and so let's jump him up to 200, right? Like, that would be awesome. And again, Pius, thank you so much for all your support and being able to help the Mild Hogz. We appreciate your commentary and always being able to jump in and supporting our channel. So again, Pius Augustus, I'll put the link in the description, and hope that you've enjoyed our video. And again, thank you for being a part of the Mild Hogz. Like and subscribe, and we will see you on the other side. All right, next we're going to support Pius Augustus. His channel is out of Tasmania. Next channel we're going to support here is oh my gosh.